It is important to track your height for maintaining physical growth records.
And one of the main aspects of a growing child is his height.
Height measurement is needed to calculate your body mass index, which helps determine your overall fitness.
There are many unreliable ways to measure height, but would you take a chance when it comes to your child's growth? I won't. Thanks to India's most trusted brand, EASYCARE, that made an accurate and reliable height meter. This product can be used in homes, hospitals, schools, etc. It has double-faced adhesive tape on the back and comes with 3 screws for firm wall mounting. And you can read the height measurements easily on display with less labor and time. This height meter is lightweight and portable, which can measure height up to 200 centimeters. EASYCARE's Manual Stature Meter. Measuring height matters.